Iman Europe, a recording artist from California, had her first New York City show this month. Jason Bisnoff has the story. Iman Europe is pursuing her dreams of becoming a professional singer, songwriter, and rapper. She credits her musically and poetically inclined parents for passing on their gifts to her.
Sometimes it's hard or it's difficult to reach those dreams that we have, and sometimes we get frustrated, and sometimes, it doesn't go the way that we plan. But I want to be that voice that kind of is like, we're all going through this.
Europe's influence ranged from Erykah Badu to Kanye West, producing a highly unique sound.
So hard to describe. It's like psychedelic soul, I'd say, because it has hints of R&B, it has hints of, that kind of soulfulness, but it also has a very, transy feel sometimes, but also I rap too, so it's just so many different things that come together to make it, which is why it sounds so different.
After attending college at UC Riverside, Iman decided to move to New York to pursue a different path to her dreams. She currently resides in the Bronx.
And it's very hard to, try to shine in a place where so many people are already shining. So, when the crowd goes right, I go left. So I came out here.
Ashley Newby, who works at SOBs, decided Iman would have her first New York show at Real Artworks, the venue's monthly R&B showcase.
I think I was listening to somebody's SoundCloud and she came up on the shuffle. And I was like, who's this? And I enjoyed it. I loved it. And tonight, her first show in New York, ever. So it's, it's just something that happens. Stars align.
SOBs has been the starting point for many large acts. Newby sees a bright future for Iman.
Keeps on the path, doing more shows, and, really putting out, a lot of material that people love because with her sound, it's really unique, and I can't wait to see it live.
Ain't smiled in 72 days, ain't slept in 72 hours. Only time I got peaceful time is when I'm in the shower. Going 95 in this.
Everything that I've been doing, I've been trying to do my best at it. Like my best at my music, my best at my showcase. Just anything, any opportunity I'm given, I want to conquer it.
I'm still stuck in my mind and tell you what I'm going through. Yeah. I'm so stuck in my ways, so stuck in my ways. Chained up, I'm stuck in my mind and tell you what I'm going through. But I ain't got this right.
Jason Bisnoff, New York.